Alright, hi everybody. This is iPokeWorld. This is my first video that I'm gonna be doing from many videos of me opening booster packs, tin openings, blister packs, just anything that's related to Pokemon trading card game. Currently, I also have a tumbler, which you see right here in the back, my laptop. That I recently created it around 4 days ago, where I post anything that's Pokemon related. Every day I post information on random Pokemon or Pokemon that any of my followers suggest. So be sure to follow me on Tumblr and suggest any Pokemon y'all want. Well, before I was actually into the trading card game. Until recently, I just started getting into the trading card game again. Ever since I started watching, actually, I'll shout out his name, but Primetime Pokemon, a really famous YouTuber that's been opening packs for a long time. So I actually have to give credit to him for getting me back into collecting these cards and opening packs and making these videos. Well, the packs I'll be opening today will be 4 of these Dragon Exalted. I got these from a local Hero and Collectible store near me, and they were $3.99 a piece. So I actually opened up this pack earlier today by accident, so you can actually notice that the pack is already open, but I didn't really get to see the cards inside, so we're gonna see what's inside. Alright, I have the code card here. I'll be posting it up on my blog on Tumblr, so be sure to follow me so you can get it in case you play the online game. Alright. Alright, first card we have here is we have a fungus. Next card we have here is a Apom. Next card here is a Bidoof. Next card is a Stunky. Next card is a Mareep. And so far all these cards have been common, so really not much to it. Well, except for this one, which is Flaffy, and it's actually a uncommon. Next card is a Gothorita. It's an uncommon card, as you can see by the diamond in the corner that it's an uncommon. Next one we have a Silcoon. It's an uncommon as well. Next card, I'll let it focus. Next card we have is a Ninjask Reverse Holo, which is an uncommon card. And the rare of the pack is an Ambipom. Let it focus. Is an Ambipom, which is a non-holo. Alright, that was an alright pack, so we have, next one we'll open is the Giratina one. Code card aside, just a reminder that I'll be posting these on my blog on Tumblr, so be sure to follow me to get the code. Alright, first card we have here is a Timple. Next card is a Swablu. Next card is a Magikarp. Next one is a Murkrow. And we have here is a Yanma. Next card is a Durant. This one's a Maractus. We have a Roserade. Ooh, 2 Roserades in a row, and this one's actually a rare. Good pull. Roserade, reverse hollow rare. Last rare of the pack that we have is a Probopass. It was an alright pack that we had here. Alright. Yeah. Refresh. Next one we'll be opening up is Gyarados. So everybody bear with me for the next couple weeks. The next pack you'll be expecting will be in about a week. Until, if this takes off sooner, then I'll be posting these videos more often. So first card we have is a Gibble. Next one is a Rufflet. Next one is a Wurmple. Next card we have is a Drifloon. Next one is a Dano. We have here a Roselia. We have a Skuntank. We have here is a Flaffy, which I opened up in the first pack. Ooh, now that's a nice one. We have a rare reverse hollow of a Garchomp, which is actually a really good card, since Garchomp is actually one of my favorite ones, or one of my favorite dragon cards, or my dragon Pokemon, my bad. Last one is a Aggron Hollow. That is amazing. An Aggron Hollow card. Aggron. I'm actually going to be doing Aggron tomorrow as my daily Pokemon, as somebody suggested. So next card we have here is your next pack here is the last one, which we have Terrakion in the front. So do the card trick. Hoping for an ultra rare, but we'll see what kind of luck I have. So we have here is a Swablu, a Magikarp, a Murkrow, Yanma, have an Apom, we have a Giant Cape, we have a Blend Energy. Next card is a Lairon. Next card we have is a reverse hollow, and is actually a rare reverse hollow. Amazing card. Houndoom is actually one of my favorite fire type Pokemon, so it's really good that I pulled this out. And the rare of the pack is an Altaria Hollow. 2 good packs in a row. An Altaria Hollow. I like the design on the back on this card. It's really good. So I don't see if y'all can see really well, but it's a really nice card. Alright, and these are the cards that I've pulled out so far. I've pulled out from the 4 booster packs of Dragons Exalted. I pulled out 3 reverse hollows, or 3 rare reverse hollows, Roserade, a Garchomp, and a Houndoom. Rare reverse holos, and the two holos that I pulled out are Aggron and an Altaria. So pretty good. I could say they're pretty good. Expecting an ultra rare, but I guess you have to be really lucky to pull one of those out. But well, that concludes my first video here on YouTube. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Tumblr as well for my daily info on any Pokemon and for the code cards that I pulled out from these packs. I'll be putting up 2 codes up today.